Chances are you clicked on this video because you're looking for some information on MyEcon, proof that MyEcon works. Well, you're definitely in the right place. Stay tuned. We about to break this thing down. Yo, what's going on? AJ Hailey here, and welcome. Before we go ahead and get started, make sure you like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Go and hit the button down in the corner, subscribe to the channel. Do what you got to do to stay tuned to this channel, because we will be dropping some great knowledge and more information, as soon as it comes out. So, MyEcon, is it real? Is it true? I know you probably been looking all over line looking for MyEcon proof. Let me sit down for a second in my driveway. Proof of MyEcon. You probably been looking at is MyEcon a scam? MyEcon scam, all type of things. MyEcon presentation, wherever it is. You probably seen a lot of people, oh listen, I made $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 in my first week, which is great. I'm not knocking people for that, but you have to understand the principles of what MyEcon is. They are a financial education company, okay? Because look, you can make $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 a week in MyEcon. Yes, that's absolutely doable. We have people making up to $15,000 a week, almost $70,000, $80,000 a month, but if you don't apply the strategies that MyEcon teaches you, because they apply some amazing strategies, you're going to be broke again. You'll just be broke on a higher level. You hear about all these athletes that make all this money, and then 2-3 years after they out the league, guess what? They broke again because they don't understand these principles. MyEcon teaches that. Their main core foundation is showing you how to make enough money, save up enough money during your working years so you have enough money during your retirement years, to show you how to get money back on your taxes, how to adjust your W-4s, how to build your credit, which is something that I'm truly passionate about, because the principles and the strategies that I learned at MyEcon, I had a credit score of a 531 in November. Just learning some of the strategies and staying on to it, my credit score went over a 750. A 750 credit score, which is amazing for me. I had never been over like a 650 before. So they teach you these strategies and they teach you how to do it yourself. So I've got something extra special for you, because you're serious about this, right? You want to learn these strategies, right? You want to learn how to cash flow your money. And I'm using a lot of terms that you might not be familiar yet, but once you click on the link in the description and register for this webinar, I have a super special guest, a gentleman that knows this business frontwards and backwards. He's helping a lot of people. He's cash flowing and making a lot of money, and he's having a lot of fun doing it. But you won't get this information unless you do what? Click the link in the description. I want to make sure you get 100% of the information from someone that knows 100% of the information, and you will definitely not be disappointed. So once again, go ahead, click that link in the description. If you're serious about your financial situation, if you're serious about taking your finances to a whole nother level, then you need to do this. Don't get me wrong, these other videos out there about how much money I made in MyEcon and this is the system that I use, that's great. I'm not knocking those folks at all, but don't lose focus on what the real reason MyEcon is here for. It's not here just for people just to grab a system and make a bunch of money real quick. It's here to teach you financial principles that's going to last the rest of your life, and that you can teach your kids, and your kids can teach their kids, and things like that. So go ahead and do that. Click the link in the description. I can barely talk. Register for the webinar. Learn these strategies. And in this webinar, I'm going to be going over the 5 simple strategies that you can start using today to start eliminating debt quickly and easily with the money you are already making. I'm not telling you to go out and make go out and get another job or anything like that. These are just simple strategies that not a lot of people know about. So go ahead and do that. Once again, I'm AJ Hailey. Make sure you like, subscribe to the channel. Yeah, that's about it. Reach out to me on Facebook too if you got any questions, concerns, or anything like that. If I don't know the answer, I'll make sure I'll direct you in the right way. So once again, it's me. Always remember this: whatever the mind can conceive, it can achieve. Don't ever sacrifice your dreams because of your circumstances. Go ahead and click that link in the description right now. Take care.